So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that I1 is this integral. The limits are from 0 to pi and the integral is cos x divided by x plus 2 whole square dx. And I2 is another integral. Limits are from 0 to pi by 2 and the integral is cos x multiplied by sin x divided by x plus 1 dx. And there is one relation between I2 and I1, which is lambda I2 is equal to 2 divided by mu plus pi plus k minus gamma times I1. So we have to find the value of lambda, mu, k and gamma. So first of all, we have to find the relation between I2 and I1, and then we have to use that relation to know the value of lambda, mu and k and gamma. So first of all, let's find out the relation between I2 and I1. So I write the first integral here, which is 0 to pi, and the integration is cos x divided by x plus 2 whole square dx. Now what you can do here, you can put x is equal to 2t, and if you put x is equal to 2t, then for x value 0, you will get t value 0, and for x value pi, you will get t value as pi by 2. So the limits are now from 0 to pi by 2. And here we have cos 2t divided by 2t plus 2 whole square, and instead of dx I write 2 times dt. Dx will become 2 times dt. Now we have this. So now what you can do, here you can see that we have 2t plus 2 whole square, so you can take 2 outside from this and it will become like uh, cos 2t divided by 4 times t plus 1 whole square, and here we have 2 times dt. So this and this cancel and the remaining thing is 2 here. So this thing, and now what we can do, we can apply the integration by parts here. So we can apply the integration by parts. So what you can do, you can remain this cos 2t as it is, and 1 divided by this t plus 1 whole square, integration will become like minus 1 divided by t plus 1, and then there is a minus sign, and then the integration of this 1 divided by t plus 1 whole square is this. The 2 factor is coming from here, and cos 2t differentiation is minus sin 2t, and 2t differentiation is 2 times dt. So this is the integration by parts I apply here. Now you can put the limit 0 and pi by 2 in this expression here. So if you put limits, so it will become like cos of minus of cos pi, which is 1, and divided by 2 times pi by 2 plus 1, and if you put 0, uh, then you will get cos 0 value as minus 1. So minus minus sign will become like plus, and here this will become like 0, so which will become like 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So these two things we get after putting the value 0 and pi by 2 in this expression. uh, Now the remaining part is this integral. So in this integral you can see that this 2 and 2 cancel, this minus and this minus sign cancel, there is one minus sign here, and we have this sign 2t dt and divided by t plus 1. So now what you can do, you can write this sin 2t as 2 times sin t cos t. So you can write in this way, and you can see that the final integral is this. So this 2 will become outside, and the integral is sin t cos t dt divided by t plus 1, and the limits are from 0 to pi by 2. So this is the thing we get now. Now you see, initially there are two integral, one is this I1 and this is I2. Now you can see that this integral cos x sin x divided by x plus 1, it is similar to the thing that we are getting here, sin t cos t divided by t plus 1. So now you can write this integral as I2 here. So we have these two things like 1 divided by pi plus 2 and half, and minus 2 times I2. So this is the thing we get here. Then you can multiply by 2 to the whole thing, so it will become like 2 times I1, is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus pi, and here it will become like plus 1 minus 4 times I2. Then you can take this 4 times I2 to the left hand side and this to the right hand side, and this will come in this form. Now what you can do, you can compare this with the given result in the problem, which is this. So if you compare, we have this relation like 4 times I2 divided by 2 times uh, 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 2 divided by pi plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 times I1. So from here you can see that lambda will come 4, this mu will come 2, this k will come 1, and this gamma will come 2. So lambda is 4, mu is 2, k is 1, and gamma is 2. So A, B, C, and D, all four options are correct, and in this way we can solve this problem.